What's up, guys? It's your boy Andre Garcia 5.0 once again, and today this is going to be part 2 of the POV drive we did a few months back. So I see that video did really well, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this POV drive. I'm about to take you guys on this very nice sunny day, as you guys can see. So all right, guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, let's get her started. She hasn't been started in over a week, so this should be good. All right, the truck is nice and warmed up. Let's go on a drive. I'm sure some of you guys have noticed that I've posted some music clips of me singing. Yes, that's me singing. For those of you that don't know, I also like to sing, both in English and Spanish, but mostly Spanish. I like to sing corridos, and you know what comes with regional Mexican music. So yeah, I mean, if you guys that like Mexican music or just like music in general, I mean, if you guys would like to go check some of that out, I mean, I would really appreciate it. So I mean, yeah, I mean, I guess you could say it's one of my hidden talents that I didn't really try to push out, but you know what? Fuck it. You only live once. Being shy is not ever gonna get you nowhere, so why the fuck not? I know I have talent, and why waste it? So yeah, right now I'll play a little bit of a song that I wrote, maybe 2 songs, but yeah, I won't bother you guys too long with that, because I mean, this is obviously a truck video, but yeah, guys.
No quiero dormir, ya se hizo de noche. Yo quiero fumar sin ningún reproche. Me entraron las ganas de subirme a mi coche. Exóticos son los carros que a mí me cobijan. Lo que yo quería, soy alcancía. No seré el más rico del mundo, pero me pelan la verga algunos. Les vengo a enseñar el rostro, así es que ven. No tengo yo una competencia, porque soy yo el que aconseja. Así es que abre tu oreja bien.
All right, let's get to driving now. Little thumbnail. Let's turn around. This is also how I get my TikTok clips. Come on, baby, come on, let's go, let's go. Ah, fuck, there's a car coming. Nope, it ain't gonna happen. There's a fucking car coming, god damn it. I guess it's gonna have to be elsewhere. Let's do a pull. Cleanest pull I have done in I don't know how long, and that is because it is sunny outside, so my truck is not really spinning today. Nice. Looks like we can pull over right here. Let's shoot some shorts and some TikTok content. Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. See the stuff I gotta do for content. Showing you guys a little behind the scenes of what I do. Haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and also we do some different videos too. But yeah, if you guys would like to know more about the build, make sure you guys check out all the previous videos I have done regarding to this truck, because we have tons of content. I also wanted to mention, I just hit 10,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you guys very much from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. Let's see when we hit 10,000 on YouTube. Whoa, shit, I haven't even hit 5,000 on YouTube, but hey, we'll get to 10,000 on YouTube one day. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed already. We're over here doing some POV driving action over here. Just shot my thumbnail right now. I forgot to mention that in this part 2 of the POV video we did about a month ago, we have the 7,000 RPM, 140 mile an hour cluster, versus the other time we did not. sixth gear. We are cruising now. Almost out. Well, guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment for more, and also follow my Instagram at Andre Garcia 5.0. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go check my music out. All right, guys, stay blessed. Peace out.
Exóticos son los carros que a mí me cobijan. Lo que yo quería, soy alcancía. Vengan, yo los acompañaré a mi tienda. Son cosas ciertas, tengan certeza.